Hi everyone, wish you all a very happy new year. I am Nidhi Manchanda, a certified financial planner and head of training and development at Financial Hospital. Today is 1st Jan 2021 and it is that time of the year when we make new year resolutions, right? So in this video, we will discuss 5 financial resolutions that every individual must take in this year 2021. So let us see what these resolutions are. Resolution number 1. Create a budget for yourself. Yes, it is very important that you create a monthly budget for yourself. Rule, you should save at least 30% of your income now to meet your financial needs in future. And the remaining 70% you can spend. And in this 70% also, the first 50% could be your household expenses like groceries or spending on utilities. And the remaining 20% can be on discretionary expenses like your luxury expenses or eating out, entertainment expenses, etc. So follow 50-30-20 rule. 50 is your mandatory expenses, 30 is your savings and investment, and 20 is your discretionary expenses like your luxury and entertainment expenses. There are many expense tracker app available. You can use any of those apps and keep your expenses on track for the entire year. Resolution number 2. Increase your health insurance cover. In the year 2020, we all have realized that having an adequate health insurance cover is a basic necessity. COVID-19 has increased the awareness about benefits of having an adequate health insurance cover. But we understand that health insurance covers are very complex in nature and it is important to understand what all things are included or what all things are not included in these plans. So what should you do? You should be looking at the family size, the age group, the medical conditions of the family members and also the medical inflation that is there in the market, and then you can select an appropriate health cover for yourself. You should explore comprehensive health insurance covers along with the critical illness plans. And you can also go for either the individual cover or family floater covers. Resolution number 3. Review your life insurance policies. We all understand by now that COVID will not gonna vanish soon. And thus it is important for us to protect not only our own lives but also our loved ones. The best way to protect the financial well-being of your loved ones is to get an adequate life insurance cover. As a thumb rule, one should have at least 15 to 20 times of your annual income as your insurance cover. Check whether you have sufficient insurance cover or else fill the gap by investing in a good term plan. Resolution number 4. Start your tax planning early. Do not ever wait till the last moment to do your tax saving investments. It can have negative implications like choosing a wrong investment product in a hurry. Ideally, one should invest in tax saving instruments like ELSS, PPF at the start of the financial year itself so that you get maximum returns. Also, please note to file your ITR before due dates. Never miss any tax related deadlines to avoid the penalties. Resolution number 5. Write a will. COVID or no COVID, it is always recommended to create a will. We all are going through uncertain times where there is an increased risk to our lives. Thus, it is important that we all create a will. Anyone with wealth and family should definitely create a will, and it is very simple to create one. You can simply write it on a piece of paper, mention all your assets, your beneficiaries, and how you want to distribute your wealth. Now let me address a most common misunderstanding. Many people think that if they have appointed nominees, will is not required. But that is not the case. That's not at all true. Please note that nominee is just a caretaker and not a legal heir to whom your assets will eventually go. Having said that, it is still very important to appoint nominees for a smoother transition of wealth transfer. So these were the 5 financial resolutions for you. Quickly add them in your New Year resolution list. For any further query, feel free to speak to one of our finance experts or tax experts or legal experts. They will help you plan your finances for the year 2021.